Right, you want to go first? You know where you're going.
All of Witham.
Whithorn.
Whithorn, Isle of Whithorn.
You have got some lovely towns and villages around here, haven't you?
Oh yeah.
Is there much work around here?
Yeah, plenty. And if not, you can just jump across the border to England.
What, rob our jobs?
rob your jobs, but it's a lower tax rate.
Yeah. Oh, I could be tempted.
I ain't done my helmet up, never mind. I'll do it while we're going along a street in a minute.
What have you done?
I haven't done my lid up.
You fucking wanker.
Keep going, Gaz, I'm just going to do my lid up. It's tucked inside this fucking jacket.
I'd blame your dresser.
Didn't Steve do your lid up?
No, I should have noticed, shouldn't I? I do apologise. When we get back to the caravan, give me just a damn good hiding. I won't do it again.
They'll give you a damn good spanking.
Oh, now you're talking. As long as while he's doing it, he's calling me Barbara, I'll be fine.
Deep on the left.
Whee! Big one on the left.
Woohoo! Hey, little bit of air.
Oh! Oh, me nuts again.
I think he caught his ball bag in his zip.
Anyone else get out the fucking seat over that little lump?
Yep. Crushed me balls against the tank.
Fucking 7 when I went over that.
You were doing how? What you doing? What?
7. Oh, fucking hell.
Did you get some air, did you?
Fucking didn't we? I think the poor old bike moaned when I sat back down on it fucking quickly.
Ron, you'll have to clear his error codes again.
Yeah. Suspension squashed. Safe to assume that bit of audio won't make the fucking video. Well, you come over a couple, don't you, and you think, oh yeah, they're just like a Big Dipper, and then you went over that one and fucking airborne.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Well, that's the element. You say you're the man's over there somewhere, did you?
There you go.
Look at that. Beautiful.
It is.
360 on.
Now I've seen the
migrating at all those nice bends and now it's got twisties. I hope my camera's on for this. Yep, it's on. Absolutely stunning, right? Imagine staying in one of these vans.
Yeah.
It's literally straight out the park on the roads like this, eh?
Fuck's sake.
Thought he was going to let us past.
Bastard.
Don't be stupid.
I'm sure he will, whether he wants to or not.
Get them Chinales on.
Clear. Clear.
Clear?
Still clear.
Yeah, clear.
We're all by. How much data? How much
Yeah.
data do you have on your phone then, Joe? How much data do you have on your phone? How much data have you got on your phone?
It's like two old men talking together in a fucking lounge of a fucking residential home, isn't it?
Hey, what?
Hmm? Hey, what?
Hey,
During the war?
yeah. Do you want a beer? Who are you calling queer?